hanggang sa hot spring, mga white sandbar, ay talagang kitang-kita mo na bagay talaga sa turismo ang Camiguin. Kaya nagiging importante itong mga facilities na kagaya nito. Kilala kayo na mas marami pa ang inyong bulkan kaysa sa bayan dito sa Camiguin. Ay nahanap ko lang yung statistic na yun kanina. Sabi ko, alam ko maraming bulkan dito, pero hindi ko naman akalain mas marami doon sa bayan ninyo. Dahil dyan, ay marami kayong naging bisita, dahil nga sa mga attraction, tourist attraction na nandito, ay nakikita natin na Camiguin has become a gem on the Philippine map. These days, mas marami ang turista, padagdag, lokal at saka galing labas, dahan-dahan nakikita nila at nababalitaan sa buong mundo kung ano ang meron dito sa Camiguin province. Well, this has brought great opportunities for the island's tourism and for your economic growth. It has also placed increasing strain on the port of Benoni. Dahil talagang sa dami, ay medyo yung mga dating facilities ninyo, kitang-kita naman na kulang na. During peak season, may problema. Hahanap ng boat ticket. Lahat ng mga traveler na naghahanap ng boat ticket, nagiging biktima sa mga unauthorized ticket processors, officer, na pinagsasamantalan, mga turista at mga lokal na nais na magbiyahe, na ligtas, at saka maginhawa. For an island like Camiguin, the importance of a modern port, a modern and efficient port, cannot be overstated, because this serves as a vital link that keeps people, goods, services, and therefore opportunities moving, that will enable families to return home, return to their businesses, to transport their products, and for fishermen to bring their catch to the market, and tourists to enjoy this destination. And that is why I directed the Department of Transportation to pursue two priorities. First, we must eliminate the bottlenecks at our transport hubs so we can welcome travelers more efficiently, more conveniently, more comfortably. We must modernize our airports and seaports nationwide so that our infrastructure can match the demand of our booming tourist industry. Today's inspection of the new port operations building and the inauguration of the Lightcraft Landing Station in Benoni Port reflects this commitment that we have made to improving all of our port facilities. It further strengthens Camiguin's primary transport link that connects the province to the port of Hagnay, Bohol, and the port of Balingoan in Misamis Oriental. These facilities will cater to domestic vessels. It will handle rolling cargoes, fuel, other essential goods that support the daily needs of the people of the province of Camiguin. Pagdating ng 2030, ang dami na ng mga pasahero na dadaan dito sa bagong nating infrastruktura ay ang projection aabot na sa 950,000. At kasama dyan, ang mga sasakyan ay dadami ng 155,491. Ganun yung ating mga naging projection. Kaya tayo nag-i-invest ngayon para yung infrastruktura natin ay handa naman sa nagiging demand na ito, sa magiging parami ng ating biyahero. Apart from Benoni, we also continue to develop the port of Balpago and the port of Ginsiliban, ensuring that Camiguin remains connected and accessible to all. Ladies and gentlemen, we are doing all of this so that our people can have a better passenger experience. This development means fewer delays, more reliable services for everyone that uses this facility. Both our travelers and of course also those who are welcoming them to Camiguin. It will also improve port operations, and that way we help eliminate the opportunities for bad actors, mga fixer, pati smuggling mababawasan dahil yung mga maliliit na barko ay dito na lang sila mag-landing, hindi na kung saan saan pa. This light craft landing station provides a sheltered port for fishermen to dock their boats safely, safeguarding their livelihoods. Sabi nga ni Kong JJ, lahat lang pagka may bagyo, lalo na doon hanggang sa Cebu, kapag may bagyo, dito dinadala yung mga luxury na yachts, yung mga yacht ng mga mayaman, dito dinadala para safe harbor dito. At ngayon na nakikita ko, talagang safe harbor, natural safe harbor to. Kaya dito napupunta ang mga private vessels pagka parating ng bagyo. Sa ating mga kababayan dito sa Camiguin, maaaring ikalawa ang inyong probinsya sa pinakamaliit sa bansa. Ngunit, nangunguna naman kayo sa ganda at init ng pagtanggap. Gumanda kagad yung pagdating namin dito. Kailangan, you have to find a way to thank all of those schools. Lahat ng dinaanan namin na eskwela, walang laman. Nasa daan lahat at may dala pang flag. So at least find a way to thank all of the schools for bringing out all the children. And alam niyo naman, pagka nakita natin, nakangiti yung mga maliliit na bata, ay nakangiti ka na rin. And that's your warmth and your hospitality that earn the admiration of everyone who has visited this beautiful island. May first timer tayo dito, si Sap Anton, nagdanayo. Ngayon lang daw siya nakarating dito sa Camiguin. Ngayon, hindi mo siya, may kompetensya na yung Davao para sa tourism. Your government, this administration, is committed to complementing these attributes with the infrastructure that you need to bring development to your province. Wherever your journey may take you, may the Port of Benoni always remain a gateway that welcomes you home, opens new opportunities, and does so for generations to come. Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan. Mabuhay ang Camiguin. Mabuhay ang Camiguin.